Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make an interactive custom map. Maybe you want to make a guide for a friend, maybe you want to show off your neighborhood, maybe show off local businesses, or maybe even create a self-guided tour. I'm going to show you how to do that really quickly. So let's go ahead here and click Make a Map. We can title this map, let's say I'm going to make a guide for Philadelphia, my guide to the city. Let's add a picture here. So, okay, let's start adding some spots. So we know the Liberty Bell is pretty big in Philly, so we're gonna add that one. Here we go. Great, now let me pick a sticker for it. So there's Liberty Bell. I can add a description here or add a picture, but it already has a link to Google Maps, so I can just use that as well. All right. I'm going to call this Top Things to Do. All right, let's add a couple more places, so I can just go ahead and search for Rittenhouse Square. Nice. Let's pick this bench here. And let's add one more. Let's add Magic Gardens. All right. Cool. Now let's say that I wanted to add a walking route between those places. I can just go here and click the route option. Let's say I want to make sure that people go in a certain sequence. I can just drag this up and say, maybe you should start here, then go there and go here. All right, that's looking good. Now I can go to these tools and highlight different areas. So I know that this whole area is worth visiting, so I'll just highlight that. I can also draw directly on the map and add some text labels as well. Let's add a couple more places using our AI bot here. So let's say I want to do more cultural things in Philadelphia. Let's do that. Great, so it's already recommending me some places. Sounds good. There they are. Let's add all of those. Great. Let's close that. All right, and so all of those have been added to the route, but I can just create a new section and call it Other Things to Do, and maybe we can move some of those down there. If we don't think that those are as important. So let's move a few of those down there. Great. Here. All right, now they're off the route. Cool, and so we can see that in just a couple minutes, I have a pretty customized map. You can keep adding more places to it. You can use the marker to highlight different sections. Use different colors as well. And from here I can just go ahead and share it, and you can share it as a viewable map so nobody will be able to edit it, or as an editable map as well in case you're planning a trip or you want to crowdsource some ideas. You just share this link. You can also embed it on your website. So let me know what you think, and